Now, Standard 9. Yesterday, I told you Shylock had passed a comment on Antonio and saying that Antonio is a good man. Okay. Now, Bassanio says, have you heard any imputation to the contrary? Okay. He says, have you heard anything against, or is there any allegation against Antonio? So, according to Bassanio, it means there is no doubt that Antonio is a good person, good in nature, he's a generous man, he's a kind hearted person. But that is not what Shylock meant. So Shylock says, no, 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 no. My meaning in saying he is a good man means I'm not talking about his nature is good. I'm talking that he is a well to do person. He is a rich person. That is what Shylock meant by Antonio is a good person means Antonio is a rich person and that he is sufficient means he has enough money to pay back a loan. Okay. But yet his means are in supposition. Okay. Now, yet all his resources are in doubts. Then Shylock knows more about Antonio. So he says he had an argosy. Argosy means a ship bound to Tripolis, means moving towards or traveling to Tripolis. Another to the Indies. I understand moreover upon the Rialto. Now, the Rialto is a stock exchange market where all these money lenders, these rich merchants, they get together in a particular place and they have the exchange of business. They have the business transactions over there. So from there he had heard that he had a third at Mexico, a fourth for England, and other ventures he had squandered abroad. Means all his cargoes and other materials he has also sent to various countries. In other words, that he is a well established merchant and he has got many ships and his business is thriving a lot. Says, but ships are but boats, sailors but men. So according to Shylock, the ships are made out of boats means they are made out of wood. Okay. Now sometimes the construction of these ships, which are made out of wood and boats, they can be very frail, very weak, that may destroy the ship. So sailors are men. Now when he talks about sailors are but men, what he means is that men, people, human beings have got a tendency of making mistakes. Okay, as human beings, to err is human. So we can make mistakes which could be detrimental or dangerous to the ship. Now, what he actually means, in which way? So he says, they be land rats and water rats, water thieves and land thieves. I mean pirates. Okay. Another word for pirates, you can use another word called buccaneer. Okay. Then there is the peril of waters, winds, and rocks. So his ships is exposed to a lot of danger. Water means there could be a high tide or low tide, or okay, then the winds and rocks. These are the dangerous things which ships have to face while traveling. Says the man is not withstanding. That means he is sufficient. His business are a little bit shaky. So 3,000 ducats, I think I may take his bond. So I feel that though his business is at great risk, but yet he is capable of paying back a loan. So he says, I agree now to give you the sum of 3,000 ducats. Okay. Bassanio, be assured you may, means I'm very happy that you are willing to give, and Antonio is a person who will willingly give you the or pay you back. Shylock, I will be assured I may, and that I may be assured I will bethink me, may I speak with Antonio. Says be assured means you can be satisfied that you will get the money. Okay, but since Antonio is going to pay back the money, I have to be sure of whether he will pay back the money, and I have to meet this person who's going to pay back the money. So now I request you that before I give you the money, I would like to meet Antonio. So I'll keep it till here. Okay, please read the content, understand the video, and still, if you have any kind of doubts, you're free to phone me and clarify your doubts. Thank you.